Hi friends. In this video we will see how to add unlimited Telegram group members from any source group to our own group at high speed. It's really super faster than other adders. Has the ability to add 1,000 plus members in 10 minutes, it's not a big deal. Time is everything, so no more delay, let's get started. First we need to download and install Python on our PC. You will find all the links in the video description box. Then open bulk adder file and type cmd and hit enter. Now type in terminal python space install.py and hit enter. This install file on our system will install some packages required for this tool. Already installed, on my system, requirements for this are already showing satisfied. After installed complete, we need to put our Telegram accounts numbers in rex.txt file, like this. Then remove rest part, and save it. You can log in unlimited accounts here. Now we need to log in our Telegram accounts number, in our tool. Back to terminal again, and type python login.py and hit enter. Three to 10 I already logined before, so now I need to log in 1 and 2 number. And enter, all Telegram code here, one by one, from Telegram application. You can store your adder accounts in Graph Messenger, there is unlimited Telegram account login system available. After login, we need to copy all the sessions from Sessions folder to Clients folder. You can set the amount of scrape and add, as you wish. Second is time delay, third is continue from next. How many time, from each number. You can check your account spam free or not and banned or not, open terminal. And type python bulk.py space hyphen check. And hit enter. You can see that all the numbers are spam-free. Now time to add members in our group. Type command in terminal python bulk.py space hyphen add and hit enter. We need to type our source group username here with addired. Then type own group username with addired and hit enter. Adding, start. See how fast it is adding speed, and how much is being added each time, from each account. You can set the any ad amount as your wish. If you have multiple accounts, you can add more members every day. If you do not have multiple accounts, there are many websites that sell OTP, from which you can buy numbers for Telegram accounts at very cheap prices. You can also use it on your smartphone through Termux. This is paid adder. If you feel need this, you can contact. If you don't have money, no problem, free versions adder, available in my Telegram channel. So don't forget to join my Telegram channel. If you use this tool for bad purposes, you will be responsible for it, not the provider. All accounts are still spam-free. After some hours, you can use again today. See you soon. Bye.